My name is Ian Peterman. I'm with Connie Burgstahler, and we're talking about launching of Natural Hemp Botanical. We've done quite a bit together, including some previous work with Whole Health, old version.
Mhm.
And yeah, I just wanted to have you briefly say, what did we do? How did we end up working together? That kind of thing, what was specifically a deciding factor in working with me, because I know that you're looking at a couple different places.
Well, okay. So, starting off working with you through Whole Health Wellness in the very beginning, some 4 years ago, um, brought me into working with you this time also. When it came to launching um, the Natural Hemp Botanicals, it was just trying to get everything all coordinated, and you were very, very brilliant about doing all of that, getting the branding going, getting all of the things that needed to be taken care of, the cost of goods, all of the labeling, and getting the cards and all the things all together while I was busy doing my other corporation and trying to make the money. So while this thing was coming up. So it was very, very important that I had somebody like your firm working with me so that I could still continue to do my body wellness, my massage, my cancer, and all of that things that I needed to do.
Obviously, you've worked with me before. You're not unfamiliar with the branding process and websites, and you've had several websites before. So what was the experience, working with you this time, through the whole process? I know we did a lot. We did business setup, we did cost of goods, we did packaging, we've done website branding, a little bit of marketing stuff, credit range. So tell me a bit about how this was, and what you enjoyed in process for you from your perspective.
Um, yes, what the whole process was mind-boggling to me. The packaging just in itself, and then the labeling and the website. It was pretty intense with all the information that had to be given back and forth. Um, I I appreciate all the time that you put in on it, but there was just so much that needed to be done, and it's very difficult to um, work back and forth over the phone and over emails and texts and things like that. And but we made it work. We made it work. Um, yeah, the packaging, everything had been so piecemealed, and then watching it all come together just in the last, probably month. And then now, as it's coming together with the website and everything like that, it's finally funneling down into where we can actually take this now out to market and really feel good about it. And
Right. And how's that going with the market? I know you're getting into a few, but has there been any growth because of having the website, be able to share it with people, and reactions of the packaging and things like that? Do you think that's contributed to getting out there a little bit more, or once you do?
I think it is starting. The website, we really haven't been promoting the website since there was still things that were being worked on that we needed to
Right.
finish with. Um, so now, since the website is going to be up and live here, and hopefully we're hopefully going to take it national here next week if we can get everything all taken care of. The labeling and packaging and promotion on this has been phenomenal because we now have wholesale people who are working with us, and um, we're able to go and take them to site, and they love the packaging. They think it's amazing. The product is amazing, so of course the packaging is going to be amazing with it too.
Well, it
Uh,
has to be.
it has to be. That's right. And everything that we've heard, the only thing is that there's so much information on such these little small jars, and so they go, where's the magnifying glass, but there's other things that can happen. I mean, we can put boxes around them and put most of the information on the boxes that they can throw away so that when they see the label, it's not going to be so overwhelming. But
Yeah.
that's later on down the road. It's working through the process and making sure that we have everything all lined up, that everything is set the way it should be. And you have been instrumental in trying to get that done for us. It's been a godsend.
Thank
It
you.
would have been awful. We would not be where we're at right now if it wasn't for your business.
Well, thank you. I appreciate that. It's been nice to see this grow, and you guys are, wholesale is happening and now retail is about to happen, which is very
Yes.
exciting. I'm excited for you to have sales in every state and to see that
Yes.
see that happen. That's super exciting. What is your favorite part about this whole process, and what are some goals that really helped you hit, that have been really important to getting to this milestone where you're actually ready to go to the public and say, buy on my website?
This is the excitement. We're just watching this. It's been a slow inertia of growth, but it's been solid all the way through. So this has been really, really promising for us. The process is just what it's going to be. I think because of what the product is and where it is on the market right now, I think it has to take the slow steps, which is perfect because that brands us even better, I think. I Tell me what else you wanted to know.
Well, that was it. Favorite, what's the process like? The final part is obviously, would you recommend us? And is there any other, extra pieces you wanted to throw in, mention, talk about, say?
Okay, well, yes, I would definitely recommend you guys. I think you guys are a very good marketing and team that all work together very well with your people. You have a great knowledge of everything that I don't. You have avenues that I don't. I don't know how to do a lot of this stuff, and you've been instrumental in getting me to this final point. Um, that to me is gold. And I just want to say that I really appreciate your knowledge and willingness to work with me. That I'm pretty inept when it comes to computers, and so you've been very patient with me through this.
It's not everybody's thing. I mean,
It's true.
but it's mine. So
Yeah, well, and I'm glad that it's yours. I'm the formulator, I'm the manufacturer. It's like I don't know how to do all this back end stuff that is overwhelming to me, but absolutely necessary. So you've actually been instrumental in making me look good out there. So
well, good. I want that. I want you to look good out there, so you sell product and launch successfully into the market in multiple,
yes,
right?
that's right.
Oh, awesome. Well, thank you so much. I really appreciate your time this morning.